So I have created this high converting landing page with Ollama model, which is completely free. You can see on the terminal it is running on. So you want to add animation library. Okay, GSAP. It's asking me to add GSAP whether I want to add. So I will just simply add no. And I have opened the same folder in my VS Code so that I can see the file whatever is changing. So you can see here, and I just open it with live server, which is already open here, this file. And if I check if it is responsive or not, it is responsive as well. Great. And what I'm using the Cloud. You can see here. Welcome to the Cloud code. I'm using Ollama launch Cloud, and you just have to just follow some simple step like install Ollama and launch the Cloud code and just start coding. I just started and just created this landing page for the SaaS product. You can see here. Now got it, landing page is complete as is. Let me know if you want to change to existing file. Okay, so let me see what it has created. Okay, so pricing section is also completed. Okay, great. It's pretty fine here. So let me know if you want to know the setup, that how you can do setup in your laptop as well. Let me know in the comment section. I will create a new video that how you can easily set up within 10 minutes. Let's meet in the new